If I was looking at this set right here, okay, based on the information, if you're told that DE and AC are equal, FE is 25, AC is 25, and then finally EF and CB are equal. Is this enough to show that these two triangles are congruent? Okay, so if you look at what you have, so the one tick mark represents 25, right? So I can put 25 everywhere there's one tick mark. I see on EF that EF is equivalent to 2 tick marks, so 25 is also equivalent to 2 tick marks. So is there enough information right here to show congruence of triangles? I have 2 pair of corresponding sides. Do I have anything else? Remember, I would either need the included angle or the other pair of sides. No, so this is not enough info. All right, try this for the other 2 examples here. See if you can find congruence of triangles. If you can, write a statement for it, and then justify it based on one of the patterns. Okay, the congruence patterns can be used as justifications in a proof. Because we didn't actually prove them, they are postulated, but you can use all 4 patterns. Right, if we look at the second example, you have GI and LK are equal, so I'll mark those with a single tick mark. HG and KJ are equal. HI and LJ are equal. Is this enough to show that these triangles are congruent? You have 3 pair of corresponding sides. Is that one of our patterns? Yeah. So we can make the statement that triangle, again, you can put it in any order. GHI is congruent to triangle, and then you just match them up. So G is opposite the 3 tick marks, so that corresponds to which angle in the other triangle? Opposite 3 tick marks is K. H is opposite 1 tick mark, so it corresponds to which vertex in the other triangle? Opposite 1 tick mark, J. And finally, I is opposite 2 tick marks, so it corresponds to L, the side opposite, or the angle opposite 2 tick marks. So here would be our congruent statement, and the justification would be SSS. All right, looking at the last example, if we mark what we have, so MN is 6, PQ is 8, OM is 7, NO is 6, QR is 8, and PR is 7. So are these going to be congruent triangles? There's not enough information, or actually we know for sure that they're not. They're different sides. So this is not congruent. All right, now you won't have to distinguish this, but is there, are you able to see the difference between specifically knowing they're not congruent versus not having enough information to determine? Could these triangles still be congruent? It is possible, right? If angle E and angle C were the same, you would know that that is a set of congruent triangles. So we don't know. It could be, or it might not be. But this one for sure we know they're not, because their corresponding sides are going to be different lengths.